Hello and welcome to Endeavor Solutions mini-series overviewing demand planning for Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central, showcasing out-of-the-box functions and field descriptions. For more on planning worksheets, over to you, Yaz.
So the planning worksheet is one of the three phases of the planning engine. The planning engine could be the planning worksheet, could also be the requisition worksheet, and you could probably see that there's a lot of similarities between the two pages. Yeah, requisition worksheet, look at that, look at the menu, look at the fields, and then go back here, it's almost identical. The last one is the plan, I think it's called the order planning, okay? On this is a global planning page. You can plan for all demand, or your production demand only, or your sales demand, service demand, or cloud demand, or single demand. This is an advanced planning feature in Business Central. We recommend that if you're new to the system, you would avoid using the order planning right off the bat because you might see a lot of difficulties in using it. This is for professional people who've been using the system for a long time, and they know exactly what they want to plan for. If you're still new, we recommend that if you're only planning for purchased items or MRP only, you could just use the requisition worksheet, okay? If you're planning for MRP and MPS, okay, then you can use the planning worksheet, all right?
Thanks, Yaz. What a great overview on the planning worksheet. To get full access to the mini-series or to find out how Endeavor can optimize your inventory management for manufacturers, resellers, wholesalers, and distributors, visit endeavorsolutions.ca/demand. See you then.